Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Numbering focused on 8. 8 is the smallest non-trivial cube, the third power of 2, and the number of vertices on a standard cube. By the end of this video, you'll have your cube numbers memorized, you'll know how to simplify root 8 in 2 seconds, and you'll spot the trickster number 64 that pulls double duty as both a square and a cube. Quick identity check. 8 is even. 8 is composite. 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. 8 is a cube, specifically 2 cubed. And 8 is a power of 2, the third one, in fact. 8 is one of those numbers where every property points back to 2. If you know your 2's cold, you basically know your 8's. Multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Divisibility test for 8. Look at the last 3 digits of any number, and if those 3 digits form a number divisible by 8, the whole number is. So 1000 divides by 8 because the last 3 are 0, 0, 0, which is 0, which divides by 8. Useful for big number factor work. Powers of 8. 8 to the 0 is 1. 8 to the 1 is 8. 8 squared, 64. Cubed, 512. To the 4th, 4096. Every power of 8 is also a power of 2. Specifically, 8 to the n equals 2 to the 3n. So 8 cubed equals 2 to the 9 equals 512. 3 identities, 1 number. Helpful in indices questions. The smallest non-trivial cube. 8 equals 2 cubed, which makes it the smallest natural number, other than 1. That's a perfect cube. But here's the magic. 8 squared is 64, and 64 is also 4 cubed, and 2 to the 6. So 64 is simultaneously a square, 8 squared, and a cube, 4 cubed. It's the smallest natural number to be both. Spot 64 in a question and you've got multiple cancellation roots. Key relationships. 8 equals 2 cubed. 8 squared is 64, also 4 cubed, also 2 to the 6th. 8 cubed is 512. Root 8 simplifies to 2 root 2. That's the third shortcut to learn. Cube root of 512 equals 8, and a standard cube has 8 vertices, the corners where 3 edges meet. Spatial geometry questions lean on that. Where 8 appears in GCSE, cube numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. Memorize that sequence cold. Cube root of 8 equals 2. Surds. Root 8 equals 2 root 2, a frequent simplification. Volume of a cube of side S is S cubed, so a 2 by 2 by 2 cube has a volume of 8, and the Pythagorean triple 8, 15, 17 does turn up occasionally. Where 8 hides, 64 is the trickster. It's 8 squared, 4 cubed, and 2 to the 6th all at once. 16, 24, 32, 40, 72, all multiples of 8. 512 is 8 cubed and 2 to the 9th. And any number ending in 3 zeros, 1000, 8000, is divisible by 8, because 1000 itself is. Spot the zeros, save the working. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.